Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Thato Cheele. Welcome on my channel. Do hit that subscribe button and join the fam, and hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any of my future content. Now in today's video I will be following Vogue's Beauty Secrets. I love that series of theirs, and so the celebrity that I'm following today is Lana Condor. I watched her video and I saw the makeup look and I was like, oh, this is such a breath of fresh air. That is literally how I feel like when watching Vogue Beauty Secrets, but I specifically felt like I want to recreate this one, so I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Hi guys, I'm Lana Condor. I'm so excited to be here, and today we are going to do my everyday skincare routine and my favorite kind of peachy makeup look. This is the Neutrogena Skin Balancing Cleanser. Let's put up the hair. I'm gonna mix the Neutrogena Radiant Cream Concealer and the Rare Beauty Concealer. So I'm gonna put the Rare Beauty here. I've totally been inspired by Selena's, beauty adventure. It seems like her philosophy for Rare Beauty is, celebrating people's individual uniqueness and making makeup fun. And that's something that I really do love and agree with. I'm gonna take her little brush thingy and blend.
So she starts with placing her concealer very minimally in this area. So she uses a brush to blend it all the way
under the eye. And just the concealer on the eyelid will kind of neutralize the darkness of my eye, so it's good. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills, I think it's like a contour pen, and I'm just gonna do your classic cheekbone, jaw. I don't have if you see, I don't have a bridge to my nose. My nose is flat. And so I kind of just like to add a tiny definition right down the nose.
So what's interesting to me is the way she contours, and she says that it's obviously for her face shape and shape of her nose and stuff like that. I don't have a similar face shape at all. I feel like, okay, not at all, I do have chubby cheeks and she does too, but I feel like she has a smaller forehead and so she doesn't contour it, and I have a bigger forehead. But because I'm following her tutorial, I am gonna contour in the areas that she contoured. I think she's using the same brush, so
it's really more of a shadow than anything. My face eats blush. I say that to every makeup artist I work with, every photographer. I'm like, my face eats blush. And they're like, faces don't eat blush. I'm like, but you don't have my face, just wait. So I go in on a blush. I'm just gonna put more than you think. This goes on your lips. This is a lip stain, but because I'm nuts, I'm gonna put a little of it on my cheeks. Okay, let's hope this works out.
Lipstick is blush.
Also, I learned this trick about blush on To All the Boys. There was one day where I was very tired. I'm gonna do a tiny bit. I will put like a little extra concealer right here after I apply my blush because I never quite mastered getting the blush like not here, which I know you're not supposed to put blush there, so I just kind of cover up any mistakes. 3CE, so this is a Korean makeup brand that I love, and it's a highlighter. It's a pretty finish, but it's very subtle. You see, like it really didn't, I like to just blend it in and make it more like I'm sweating. This is what I say, eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters. I'm gonna just fill in the bald spots. I've kept them more kind of thin. And now, oh, this part stresses me out. I filled in like the arch. Now I'm gonna do a tiny bit at the front of my brow. This is where everything could go wrong. Okay, less is more. See, you say, Lana, stop it. Put the pencil down. Good. Wow, I was very fearful about that, but wasn't about that. So I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna take, I don't know, nude color and put it all over my eyes. So, okay, my eyes are hooded. What I've learned from working with other makeup artists is that for eyes that look like mine, you wanna bring the pigment higher than you might think. So I'm gonna take this neutral kind of, you know, nude shadow and do little circular motions. But do you see how high I'm going on my eye? Like, that looks wild, right? But then when you open it, it's not as crazy as you think. Because I brought it almost to the brow bone, you're like, oh wow, Lana, looking good. I don't really know what color that is. I think it's like a bronzy, goldy base tone of peachy type of shadow. And I'm gonna put it on my lid. So again, focus it on the center, bring it up, and then you can see the product. Look at that! I wanna just blend it really quick with like a fluffy brush. So pretty, so fun. A highlighter right on my brow bone. You look super awake. Now I'm just gonna take this brown pencil and I'm just gonna use small little strokes and I'm gonna just kind of like smoke out the lash a little. Flick it out for a tiny baby wing. See how it's just like, it almost looks like, oh, Lana got a little bit of an eyelash fill. She did it all herself. I'm gonna take the other side of the pencil and kind of make sure that everything is clean. Oh gosh. There we go. That's also like a nice little lift. This I also got in Korea. Remember, this is what I also mixed on my cheeks for a little bit of a stain. Put it on my thing, with my ring finger. And just focus it on the center of my lips. So this part. Because I like to pull, you know, makeup from everywhere I go. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of liner and line very lightly. Ta-da! We made it! This is my final look. Thank you so much for watching and have a great one.
Okay guys, I am all done following Lana's tutorial and well, I don't know, the makeup looks really cute on her. It suits her perfectly and it's so effortless, but for me, I feel like it's just okay. Of course I went off camera and just put on some lashes because she has lash extensions and I don't. So that's all I did, and yeah, this is the finished product. Now, my favorite part about Lana's makeup is the fact that it looks so fresh and effortless, and even though I said I look just okay, I feel like this is literally the most makeup no makeup tutorial. Like, it's just so natural, like especially on me. On her it actually looks like she's wearing makeup, but like light makeup. On me, I feel maybe I'm not used to it, but it looks like I'm not wearing makeup, guys. Like, it literally looks like I'm wearing lipstick, lashes and eyebrows, and that's pretty much it, literally. So what I like about it is, you know, the dewy skin, the effortless look. I love the blush trick. So I feel like I could definitely do it if I am doing like a light on the go everyday kind of look. I feel maybe I'd tweak it here and there to suit me until I'm satisfied with it, but otherwise, especially the fact that we don't do forehead contour, I'd probably maybe add in a little bit of forehead contour, just a little bit like we did there on the cheeks and the jaw and the nose, and yeah, that would be it. But otherwise, love the look, love the effortless eyeshadow, love everything is so fresh, so effortless, and love that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up, and as well as leave me a comment. Let me know what part of it you enjoyed. If you also have like a similar request of, you know, whatever other person you want me to follow, maybe on Vogue, maybe on another magazine's channel page, maybe another influencer, celebrity, whatever the case may be, just let me know in the comment section and I'll be sure to check it out. And who knows, maybe I'll also upload a video of me following that specific tutorial that you requested. So yeah, if you aren't subscribed till now, please subscribe. This video is almost over. Subscribe before it ends and ring that notification bell so you'd be notified every single time I upload a new video. And love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.